Hey guys, in a slightly longer than normal video we're going to have a look at completing a job using Journease Mobile. Here you can see I have already created my job. I've added the customer, the vehicle type, a collection and delivery address, load details for this job and a supplier. I've then clicked on Calculate Journey to get the pricing through and then saved the job. If we have a look on the live console, we can see that the job appears in the listing on here with an area at the bottom where we would normally manually put in our times. To send this job to a driver from the job screen, we can click on this icon here, or alternatively, if we're on the live console, all we need to do is select the line that the job is on and then you click on the Send to Mobile button. You'll see a pop-up notification to say that it has been sent to the driver. On the driver's mobile, the driver will receive a notification, and if he clicks on Job Update, it should open the Journease Mobile app and allow him to accept the new job. Driver can now click on the first address and select Show on Map. This will ask him to open his mapping application on his mobile, where he can view the details of this particular address. If we now press the back button twice, this will take us back to our job's address listing. Once the driver has arrived on site, he can then click on the first address, the collection address, and click on the Arrived button. The live console in Journease refreshes itself every 60 seconds. In this instance, we'll manually refresh it to show what happens. And we can see here that the arrival time has been recorded on the live console. If the driver has photo capture enabled, he can click on Capture Image and take a photo of either the address or the packaging or whatever he likes at that address. Click the tick to accept the photo and then the back button to return to the address. We can now click the Goods on Board to take us to the Goods on Board screen. In Journease we can set this up to be a require field. In this instance it isn't, so we can click straight away on the Save button. The collection address will now disappear from the mobile, and if we have a look at the live console and refresh it, we can see that the goods on board time has been entered. Our driver can now click on the next address, the delivery address, and again click Show on Map. This will once more take him to his mapping application where he can view details for this address. Clicking the back button twice to take us back to the address, and the driver can set off to the delivery. On arriving at the delivery address, the driver can click on the delivery on his mobile and click on Arrived. Again, this will update the live console to show that he has arrived on site. In this instance, the person we are delivering to is not at home, so we can click on the Failed to say that it's a failed delivery. From here we can select what the reason for the failure is, the most common one being not in and a card left. Once we have chosen the reason for the failure, we can click on the Save button, and this will save information about that and remove the delivery address from the mobile. It will also update the live console to show that this address has failed. Now let's say for instance that the customer rings us back and says, actually I was in the back garden, can you come and deliver now? What we can do, being such a good delivery company, is resend this job back to our driver. So we would select the line from the live console and click on Send Mobile, and this time it will just send the delivery address back to our driver. He'll receive notification in the same way, and clicking Job Update will put the delivery address back onto his mobile. He can now arrive on site and click on the delivery and click on the button to show that he has arrived. This will once again update the live console. He can now click the Images button and capture image, providing he has photo capture available, and take a photo of the area, in this case our lovely office space. Click the tick to approve the photo, and then the back button to return, and now we can click on the POD button to say we have proof of delivery. This time we will require a name and a signature against this address. Once we have those, we can click on Save, check that the signature is correct, and click Yes. This will then remove the delivery address from the mobile, and if we have a look at the live console, it will update the live console with the POD name and time. Going back to our job screen, if we clear the job out and then reload it, we can see now that there is an icon at the top here showing there are photos available for this job. If we click on this button, it will take us to a report which shows us the photos that have been taken against this job. Here is the one for the delivery, and if we cycle through, here are the ones that were taken at the collection. This report can now be emailed directly to the customer or to an email address required by using the Show Email button and sending it to the address. It could also be printed out at a local printer. If we close this report and go back to the job, we can double click on the delivery address to bring it back across the left hand side, and if we click on GOB POD information, we can see the signature that was taken against this job. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe to get more videos of this type.